This is FLOMO TV. Okay, Pamela, I'm gonna teach you how to make a friendship bracelet today. Do you know how to do that?
No.
Okay. So first off, our materials. We're gonna need our baker's twine, red and green. So this is great for Christmas time, right?
Yeah.
And which scissor do you want to use? Do you want to use green or pink?
Pink.
Me too. That's my favorite color.
Me too.
Okay, so let's open up our baker's twine. And we're gonna braid it just like when we braid your hair. So what do you want to be the bigger part of the bracelet, red or green?
I would choose green.
Okay. So first, let's cut this part off. Put it to the side. And let's measure your wrist. So, give me your wrist. So we're gonna make a loop. And we're gonna just measure Pamela's wrist here. Okay, that looks fine. So you make your loop and you cut off here. Then we need our red. So I'm gonna open it up. And find the end, or make an end. So we're gonna find the end, see? And then we're gonna measure Pamela's wrist again. But this time, we already have a measurement. So I'm just going to take my loop, stretch it out so you can see the whole length, and then measure our red based on the length of our green. I'm gonna cut it just a little bigger. Okay, let's put these to the side. Now, let's take our red and wrap it around the loop for our green. Tie a little knot. Okay, now I need your wrist, Pamela. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be braiding our cord, just like you braid your hair. It's best to have a friend do this. So can you hold this end for me?
Sure.
Okay, perfect, thank you. So our red goes in the middle and our green goes in the end. Then when we keep braiding, it moves. Okay, now I need your wrist again. We're going to fit it around her wrist, wrap it around, and tie our knot. Friendship bracelets are a symbol of our friendship. So we tie the knot so we know that our friendship is secure. And that's it. What do you think?
Good.
Can you show it for us? It's very cool. All right, thanks for tuning in. This has been FLOMO TV.